how to change Facebook page name. If you want to change your Facebook page name, so this is the video I will show you in this video how you can change easily your Facebook page name. Now the first of all, what you need to do, you need to switch on to your page, Facebook page. You want to change the name, as you can see, and this is my page name. Now I want to change the name of this page. Now what you need to do, first of all, you need to click on your page icon or your page name. Now after that, you will see here in this area professional dashboard and then settings. So you need to click on settings here. Now in the setting you will see all the setting on the left side corner. So you need to scroll down in this area and click on page setup, and here you will see name. Now click on edit. Now what you need to do, you can't change the complete name of the page, so you simply need to change first of all first name, and after 20 days or 60 days you will change the last name. So this is the method of changing the Facebook page. If you try to change complete, so maybe in your case it won't work. So simply you need to change the first name or last name, and then after 60 days you can change the second name. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.